What's up, everybody? How are y'all doing? We're gonna look at the end of that brass hose. We're gonna cut that off. Welcome back to the channel. Picked up a dishwasher a while ago. Had some copper trinkets on it. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
All right. You don't mind if I grab any of this, do you? All right. I didn't think so. That's wood. All right. A little brass nugget. Oh, what I was saying a while ago. That's a good piece of steel there. As I got a dishwasher. Still had the golden goodies on it. Copper. Red gold. We'll take that if that's aluminum, but I don't think it is. If it's not, we're leaving it. Yeah, we're leaving it. Price is too low to be grabbing that. Big mess. A little bit of goodies here. Some fan blade. We're gonna take the Christmas tree. I like this. Oh, it's busted. Dang it. There's some breakage, I guess. What's all in here? There's 10. Fold 'em up chair. M&M container from 2000. Oh, there's those peanut jars. I think that's one, yeah. It's got the peanut tub. We'll come back and get the Christmas tree and have a look over on the box. Is that the right lid for it? Yeah, it is. Alright, we'll put it up front. One more look over. I'd like to put something in that box where all this stuff don't fly away. How about that? Are they on there? Hey. Well, take them. Some aluminium. Oh, that's heavy enough. What else we got? Here's some old tarps, hoses. I wanted to have a look over on this, didn't we? Yeah. I don't see any more oldies. Maybe that's no, they're not that old. It is a cookie jar though, kinda. I have a friend that collects them, so let's give it to her. Alright, you can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Can't catch me. I'm the Scrapman. Oh, look what we stopped for. Oh, the last ever ironing board. And some tiki torches. Also look pretty taped up Christmas tree. I'm not taking the box or fighting with it so they can keep it. On we go. Well, that kind of wasn't much, was it? We didn't look in any dumpsters though. I had to pick that up, so I figured I'd run and see if anybody put any bulk out yet. And there's a little bitty piles, but they're just, it's still too early. Oh. Alright. Well, I guess I'll unload this little bit of junk, and I pushed everything back in here. Made a little room. But anyways, take that with me. We got us. We had to pick up that anyway, like I said, but it did come with a little bit of copper, pound or two, so a pound probably. God damn. Put these keys up. Scratch that. I don't think we're done. I seen a lamp poking out of here at least. Alright, we'll grab this. There's probably all kinds of stuff down in here. We'll grab some shredolas. You thought we were done, didn't you? I got some trash out of the storage unit though, and some big, like that big tank thing that had a big piece of aluminum. Get rid of that. Let's get this lamp out of here. It even has a cord on it. How about that? We don't want the pretty shade, do we? No. I wonder if that thing's brass. And the bottom's not. I see rust, but that is not either. It's got rust on it as well. That's alright. A good start for tomorrow. Look at all these little handles you could get down in there and get if you wanted. And all this stuff smells like. Goodness. It smells like dogs and cats. I'll grab this dude. I may have to do the old spinneroonie and back up to it. It's metal. All that on there is almost. I'll take it. Let's back up to the see if we don't miss anything. All right. That's the stuff we want to find, stainless and stuff like that. Make sure we didn't miss anything. I'm not seeing anything right on top. I don't really mean anything. A nickel. There's a whole pound of scrap metal right there. Same thing. Yeah, I'm not seeing nothing too great. Medical equipment. All right, well. Be some stuff back here. Nightstand. Alright. Oh, we got us a bonus lamp, a bonus fan, and some stainless. Okay, we're not done yet. There's a washer and an end dryer down there. We need to go over there and get that. ASAP, but I thought I seen like, yeah, I did see a quart. Alright, we'll go down there and get that washer and dryer. I'm just out recycling. Oh, some more stuff back there I missed. On we go. Woo! That was cool. Well, that's it for real this time. It's funny how things, when you're not looking for scrap, it pops up out of nowhere, and when you're looking, you can't hardly find anything. But I just had to pick up that dishwasher, and it turned into all this, so it was pretty cool. But I'd like to thank y'all very much for watching. So we get to go out and do it again all over again tomorrow. Hopefully we load the multiple trucks up. But y'all guys have a good one, and I'll see y'all on the next one.
Oh, jackpot!